Hi, I want to show you how to change display icon size on Google Pixel 9a. Firstly, open Settings and here find Display section. Then I want you to scroll down a bit to see option Display size and text. And now you just need to change display size. To make it smaller, tap on the minus. To make bigger, tap on the plus. This will change icon size as well on the home screen. And also what you can do to make icons bigger or smaller is to change layout. For that, you just need to go back in settings, find wallpaper and style. Here tap on home screen and tap upgrade. Now you can make icons smaller by selecting 5x5 or bigger by selecting any other option on the right side. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.